Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is SEO, its types, advantages and disadvantages. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the practices of improving a website visibility and ranking on search engine like Google, Bing and Yahoo. This is primary goals of SEO is increases the organic traffic or website by optimizing various aspects of the websites is make it more attractive and search engine that are turned into a more relevant end users. SEO involves a wide range and strategies or techniques including keyword research that are included in their technique keyword research. Identifying and targeting these are specific keywords that are uses to these are literally in a likely searches or when you're looking for information product and services related to your website. One page optimization, optimizing the content, meta tags, heading, images and other on pages elements to make them more search engine friendly. Next is off-page optimization, building to your high-quality blankets and link to reputable websites to increases their authority and trustworthiness for your website. Technical SEO, ensuring that your website is structured and closest to way and the search engine that are easily crawl their index and content. This is included the factor of site speed, mobile friend lines, and proper HTML markup. Next is content creation, developing high quality, relevant, and engaging content that are attract to retain and for visitors. This can be include blog post, article, videos, and other forms of content. Next is user experience UX, providing your positive and user-friendly experience on your website, which can be impact your both search engine ranking and user satisfaction. Next is local SEO, optimizing the local search result, particularly important for business and serve a specific geographic area. Next is social media, leveraging social media platform to promote content and engage with your audience. Next is analytic and monetizing using tools like Google Analytics, and these are track for measurement and performance for your SEO efforts to make necessary adjustment. Now we discuss types of SEO. SEO can be broadly categorized in a several types of effectiveness, each focusing on different effectiveness of optimizing a website, search engine, and user's experience. This is main types of SEO include on-page SEO. On-page SEO involving optimization and content for elements or individual web pages make to more than search engine friendly. This is include keyword optimization, meta tags, heading, images optimization, and content quality. Next is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is a concerned with activities that make a place outside and websites to improve their search engine ranking. The primary focus on off-page SEO links building, where you aim and acquire high-quality blankets that are other reputable websites. Social media marketing, online reputation management can also use this for web pages and SEO. Technical SEO. Technical SEO focus on these are search engine and websites that are effectiveness of engine ranking. It is including optimization factor like speed, mobile friendliness, URL structure, structured data, and XMLs that are symptoms ensure that your search engine and crawl and index for your site effectively. Next is local SEO. Local SEO is the circular for business, everything that are uses to a specific demographic, and these are particularly Google local pack. This is include creating claiming to your Google by business listening. Local back this is include creating and claiming your Google and maybe business listing, obtaining online reviews and ensuring consistent business information across the web. E-commerce SEO. E-commerce SEO is tolerated for online stories and focus on product pages, category pages, and other elements unique to e-commerce website, optimizing product descriptions, product images, users review, and negations for essential for e-commerce SEO. Next is mobile SEO. Given the increasing use of mobile devices that are web browsing, mobile SEO focus on making your website mobile friendly and involve a respective web design, mobile pages, speed optimization, and ensuring a seamless experience on mobile devices. Next is voice search SEO. With this rise of voice drivers that like smart speaker and virtual assistants optimization that our website or voice search has become important. This is include using conversational keyword and creating content that answers common voices search queries. Next is video SEO. Video SEO, that is optimizing video content rank on search engine, especially on platform like YouTube. This is include keyword optimization, engaging thumbnail, videos description and transcript etc.